Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, weather's been crazy here. I'll show you guys how it looks. So as you can see, on the weekend we had an ice storm and it was a lot worse than this, but now it got a little bit better. So hopefully summer should be coming soon. Anyways, in today's video we're gonna be installing a dash cam that my dad got me, so thanks Dad. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. We'll do the unboxing. I've already opened it, but you know, I'll do the unboxing for you guys too, so you guys can see what it comes with. Dash cam I got is a Papago GoSafe 228. You know, it's a small dash cam. It has a little screen on it, as you can see, and once I open it I'll show you guys. So the top features, it's 1080p, 720p, 1.8 LCD, has a G sensor and incident autosave. You know, so if you get into a collision it's gonna autosave by itself. 120 degrees wide angle, cycle recording, snapshots, and motion detection, surveillance, and all that good stuff. So it comes with a 8GB micro SD card, you know, all the goodies with it. So let's just open it and then I'll show you guys what it comes with in real life, so we're not just reading off of some paper cardboard box. Alright, so that's the actual dash cam. Let's take it out. It's pretty small, You know, it's the size of my tuning knob, so it should be pretty discreet. And I'll show you guys the side, power button, and then menu button, and then up and down. That's the actual lens in the front, and that's where the SD card, micro SD card goes. So let's dig further, and there's a button on top that says OK. Okay, so let's dig more. Let's put this down here and see what we can find. So that, I guess, is the suction mount that's gonna go on the windshield. So we'll see where we're gonna put it in like 2 minutes. So let's put this down here, and then that's the cord, charging cable that's gonna connect it. And then we have a micro SD card and an adapter to use for laptop and stuff, just so you can you know, export the videos from the dash cam. So let's set it up. Now I'm gonna put you guys down here somewhere if I can adjust it somehow. Okay, there we go. So that's the suction mount, and I guess gonna go somewhere like that. And then once we put it just like this, yeah, nope, you guys didn't see that. So it's gonna go like that. So let's put it on the windshield. It does come with a sticky thingy, so we're gonna take that off, and let's see where we're gonna put this. So it says to put it, you know, in the middle of the windshield because you want to get the perfect angle. So before I actually put it the wrong way, it's supposed to go like this and not the other way. I'm gonna put you guys somewhere so y'all can see this. Hopefully you can see it from here. Alright, if not, I apologize. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cable, connect it so we can actually see in the screen what's going on, and we can angle it properly. So for this I'm gonna be putting that's for the GPS. So we're gonna put it over here, right there, and then we're gonna connect the wire to our dash cam. So there we go. Okay, so now let's turn on the car. And it's alive, but upside down. So there you go. No card. Oh yeah, we have to put in the SD card. So I'm gonna take that out right now. Let's take out the little small card. And it's gonna go in here. Oh, maybe the other way. And so there's a click when you put in the SD card, so there you go. And now I'm gonna mount it on the windshield and I'll show you guys how it looks after. Okay, so that's where I put it. So I lined it up with the windshield thingies in the back and put it in the middle. So it does get most of the picture, but you know, just the front part, and I guess that's its job. So as you can see, it's not really that hard to install the dash cam. So now I'm gonna go for a drive and hopefully record what it records, and then I'll put that in the video. So after this, you guys will see the video from the dash cam. The one thing I forgot to show you guys is the different modes that it comes with, and it's recording right now. So to stop recording, we can press the OK button over here, and that stops recording. When you're here, you can press the power button to switch modes. So this is the recording mode. Press it once, that's the photo mode. Press it again, and then here's the browse mode, so you can browse and stuff. And then if you press the menu button here, you know, you can delete it or protect it. So you click the down arrow, go to delete, press OK. It asks you delete current, you press OK, and then use the down arrow, OK again, and now there's no file, so it's deleted. So you can go back to the menu, and then that's the menu. So you have your date and time, auto power off, screensaver, beep sound, language, frequency, format, default settings, and the version, whatever. And that's about it. So now I'm gonna put the video from the dash cam in the actual video that you guys are watching right now. So enjoy.
Silky Beat.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.